All right, so we are on GBP USD. GBP USD, that is the Great Britain and US dollar. And this is the 4-hour chart. So this, I have for my chart, you can see that I have period separator on my chart, which is this white line that you can see. So this white line helped me to separate each week from the following week. As you can see, this is last week, this is current week that we are now, this is last week, and this is last 2 weeks. So to enable period separator on your charts, you want to right click on your mouse, then go to properties, then under show, you tick show period separators, then click OK. Then this is how your chart will be like. Now let's do an example on this current week. You can backtest this strategy on the previous week and see. What I like to do is I like to place 2 trades daily. 2 trades daily. The first I place, the second one I place, then I'm done for the day. Yes. So now let's identify the first candlestick for yesterday, which is Monday. Okay. As you can see, this is the first candlestick. You can see the time 0.00, which is this is the opening candlestick of the day. So I've marked the high and the low. I've marked the high and the low right here, as you can see. So we're moving to the 5-minute time frame now. 5-minute time frame. As you can see, due to my period separator, is able to give me the yesterday's chart, which is this one. From this white line to this white line is yesterday's chart. This one is the Sunday chart, which the market was closed, and this is the current chart, which is today, Tuesday. Now remember, first of all, you have to go to the 4-hour and mark the first candlestick of the day, mark the high and the low. Then next, you want to go over to the 5-minute time frame to identify a trade. Now from the trade, you can see that the market went up, started consolidating here, it didn't close above our zone, then it came down and closed below the zone. As you can see, it closed below the zone right here, then it came back again to close inside our zone. So what do? You place your trade. As you can see, I took a trade right here. This is my history. I took a trade right here. So place a buy trade right here, and you set your stop loss below the previous swing low, which is right here, and target 1:2 reward ratio. And I made profits yesterday. Then, like I said, I love to place 2 trades per day. Now I placed another trade, and my stop loss was here. So what happened? I made loss yesterday. So this strategy is not 100% win. It does not give you 100% win rate, but to give you consistent profits. If you backtest this strategy on previous weeks, you'll see that you were able to make consistent profits using this strategy. No strategy is 100%. Right. Now, let me mark today's candlestick. Like I said, I always like to place 2 trades per day. Let me mark today's candlestick. Okay. Alright, this is today's candlestick right here. Right here. So go back to the 5-minute time frame. Okay, let me adjust it. So we are now on the 5-minute time frame. Look like we didn't come on time. Look like we came late. You can see the market closed outside here and closed back inside. So we're supposed to take a buy trade right here. Yes, we're supposed to take a buy trade right here. As you can see, this market meets our analysis. It meets our setup. On the 4-hour time frame, we draw the first candlestick, we mark the first candlestick, the high and the low. Then we go over to the 5 minutes and wait for the market to close below our level or above our zoom level. And right here, that's what happened. So that is how this strategy works, guys. But before you start trading this strategy with your real money, I would advise you backtest it first. Now I'm going to place a buy trade right here. Placing a buy trade right here. So my stop loss will be below this level. I'll just give it a little bit of space. Okay, target 2 to 1 right here. Here. So guys, before you use this strategy on your real account, go to your demo account, create a demo account and backtest this strategy. Backtest this strategy for like 3 good months. And one thing that will help you to find out if this strategy is profitable or not is your record. Always take record. As you are backtesting this strategy, take your record. Each day or each days that you make profit, write it down, the amount of profit you make. You made loss, write it down also. For the next 90 days or for the last 90 days, take your record while backtesting this strategy. Then when you are done backtesting the strategy, go back to your record and calculate how much profit you made and how much loss. Then minus your loss from your profit. Then you will see how profitable this strategy is. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up and comment on the comment section below on how you think, what you think about this strategy. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye for now.